Long ago, there was a young man who was very unhappy. His father had died, and his stepmother did not like him. She treated him badly and gave him very little food. The young man felt sad and alone. One day, he decided to leave home. He said to himself, I will go out into the world and find my fortune. So he packed a small bag and began his journey. After walking for many days, he entered a deep forest. There he met a strange old woman. She looked at him kindly and said, You look tired and hungry. The young man told her his story. The old woman felt sorry for him and said, I will help you, but you must be careful with what I give you. She gave him a small bag and said, Inside this bag there are magic things. They will help you if you use them wisely. The young man thanked her and continued his journey. Soon he met 3 brothers who were fighting. What is the matter? He asked. One brother said, We cannot decide who will get our father's magic table. What is special about the table? The young man asked. It gives food, they said. When you say table, set yourself, it fills with delicious food. The young man thought for a moment and said, I can help you. I will test the table and divide it fairly. The brothers agreed. But the clever young man tricked them. He took the magic table and gave them a normal table instead. Now he had the magic table. After some time, he met 2 more brothers who were arguing. They said, We have a magic donkey. When you say donkey give gold, it gives gold coins. Again, the young man tricked them. He took the magic donkey and gave them an ordinary donkey. Now he had the magic donkey too. Later, he found some strange cabbages in the forest. He was hungry, so he ate one. Suddenly, something very strange happened. His ears became long like a donkey's. He was shocked. Oh no! What has happened to me? Then he ate another cabbage, and his ears became normal again. He understood. These are magic cabbages. One changes a person into a donkey, and the other changes them back. He carefully kept both types of cabbages. That evening, he stayed at an inn. The innkeeper saw his magic table and donkey and became greedy. While the young man was sleeping, the innkeeper secretly exchanged them for ordinary ones. In the morning, the young man left, not knowing anything. Later, he tried to use his magic table. Table, set yourself, he said, but nothing happened. Then he told the donkey, Donkey, give gold. But the donkey did nothing. The young man realized he had been tricked. He was angry, but also clever. I will get my things back, he said. He returned to the inn. This time he pretended to be friendly. He offered the innkeeper some cabbage. Please eat this, he said. The greedy innkeeper quickly ate it. Suddenly his ears became long like a donkey's. The innkeeper was terrified. What happened to me? He cried. The young man said calmly, If you want to be normal again, give me back my magic table and donkey. The innkeeper quickly agreed and returned everything. Then the young man gave him the second cabbage. The innkeeper ate it and his ears became normal again. Now the young man had all his magic items back. He returned home. His stepmother was surprised to see him. But now he was rich and confident. He used the magic table to get food and the donkey to get gold. Soon he lived a happy and comfortable life. And he never forgot the lesson: be careful, be clever, and never trust greedy people. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.